Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the clip type, plastic pin, metal clip, or a security hard tag, because removal technique changes. Once identified, position the garment face down on a protected surface and expose the clip area. Make sure to flatten seams. Use pliers for pressure, the seam ripper for threads, and a small flathead for pry points. You want controlled force to avoid fabric distortion. If adhesive is present, test a small area with remover first, so you don't stain or. Now you focus on the middle steps where precision matters. If it's a plastic pin, clamp near the base, then twist and pull slowly so the pin separates cleanly. Avoid sharp tugs which stretch fibers. When threads secure the clip, insert the seam ripper and cut only the tying threads. Once released, lift the clip with tweezers. For metal clips, create a tiny gap with a flathead, then pry while supporting fabric with tape. This prevents ripping. Keep checking your progress so you can adjust technique. Finish by removing any residue and restoring the fabric. You should gently dab adhesive with solvent or soapy water. Rinse and air dry flat to preserve shape. If a tiny hole remains, stitch from the underside with matching thread, using small, close stitches to blend. For larger damage, apply an iron-on or sew-in patch. If the fabric feels thin or the weave has distorted, stop and consult a tailor. This prevents worsening damage. One troubleshooting tip: if a clip won't budge, reevaluate clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.